Looking for something special? We know how frustrating it can be when you can't find anything to meet your exact yard fencing requirements. It seems like nobody knows what you're going through. So if you can't find exactly what you need, then don't worry. Simply contact our friendly team to learn more about our range of custom and tailored yard fence solutions, built to match your exact requirements. Our professional team has years of experience in delivering quality fencing services and understand the intricacies required to meet a huge range of needs. Just ask for an estimate and let us prove our commitment to your satisfaction. We promise that we maintain the highest level of customer care and service. Everything is carried out to assured standards, and we will complete everything efficiently, leaving you with great results. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is waiting to solve your unique requirements, so please don't hesitate to contact us via any of our contact methods and let us craft you the exact fencing service that you need. We aim to exceed your expectations, so contact us today.